In Chantemar's embrace where the vineyards gleam, a haven awaits with a timeless dream. Arch lines whisper of grace in the air, every corner polished with modern care. Laminate floors where the sunlight plays, quartz reflections in golden rays. Open spaces where laughter flows, a place for the heart where the spirit grows. Step beneath stars in a warm light, glow in the velvet night, where the breeze runs free, a design for serenity. Step beneath stars in a warm light, calm in the velvet night, where the breeze runs free, a design for serenity. Above, a sanctuary calm and wide, closets of plenty where treasures hide. Luxury living with wine country song, a life of beauty where you belong. Step beneath stars in a